everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun unboxing slash review first impressions video to do with you guys. I received a product, a new planner actually, and I'm excited to review it and unbox it with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So this was sent to me via mail. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and then we'll just continue on. So here we have it. This is the 5 minutes a day planner. It is a daily planner. It's undated. It has a weekly planner as well as the monthly planner. And it is in the color purple. And it's such a pretty color. It has a really beautiful elastic band with 3 different colors on it. It has a red, a white, and a blue. And it is a nice hardcover, but the binding is nice and soft so that when you open and close the planner, it makes it easy to open and close. And as you can see, it has the title, 5 minutes a day. And it is a solid background. It has the elastic band in the back. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. I'm excited to see the layout from the inside. So here we have the planner itself. It's beautiful. It's a personal size. It's a 6 by 8 inches, so it's a good size. Also nice and thin to throw into your bag for a quick, fast to go planner. This would be really good for like students and anybody that works in offices. So you can just kind of throw it into your bag and it doesn't get as bulky as a ring planner would, or a binding planner, or a happy planner that gets thicker. But yeah, so once you open it up, as you can see, it has the elastic band with the 5-minute logo on here. This does move up and down so that you can place it wherever you want on the elastic. And again, this is a nice strong material. So once you open it up, the first thing you get is stickers. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. So you get 2 sheets of stickers. You get some holiday theme stickers. This is so cute. You have Christmas, you have 4th of July, you have some Halloween, some Thanksgiving, really cute. And then you have some basic functional stickers in some really fun bold colors. So you have headers such as reminder, success, urgent, goal, okay, to do, yes, no, important. And then you have checks, little check marks, so that whenever you're done with a task, you can add a little check. Then you have the little explanation points, some question marks, and then you have some bullets for like bullet journaling and that kind of thing, or for list making. So these are really cute. Absolutely love that it comes with stickers. So you have, once you open up the planner, you have 2 blank pages. You can always customize this. You can add an adhesive pocket. You can decorate it. If you're an artist, you can use it to draw, maybe do a vision board, all kinds of fun things. And then once you open it up, here we have it. So it's the 5 minutes a day planner. It is a daily planner. Then you write this belongs to, and then you put your name, your phone number, and then your email. So really basic, really cute. Then once you open it up, you have a few little personal things, such as I am most passionate about, what are my personal core values, action, what do I want to give back to this world, memory, how do I want to be remembered when I'm gone, I am grateful for, my affirmations, things I need to remind myself. So this is really good to keep you inspired, motivated, and just, you know, right on track with, you know, the kind of life that you want to lead. So I like that. And then behind that, you have another page, a successful life, question mark. A perfect day looks like, a beautiful moment would be, an important person, you know. So I think that's awesome. I love that. And then, oh, you have a little vision board right here. So I had said you can create a little vision board here, but if you want to create one right here, you can. Or if you feel like your vision board is going to need to be bigger, you can always use this space, maybe add some washi tape, and then add some, maybe some, you know, goals for the year. Maybe add, you know, I think one time I tried to do a vision board where I wanted to learn how to sew, and I put a sewing machine. And then, you know, if you want to learn how to cook more, maybe you could put a little sticker with, you know, cooking, that sort of thing, to keep you motivated, anything that inspires you. And then here you have my 1 year goals. So you write your goals for the new year. If you want to start fresh in January, if you feel like this is a good planner for you, you can always write down your goals to keep you again on track with the life that you want to lead. And then you have my strategy, skills, and habits I need to learn to achieve my goals, which is a good one. My bad habits and bad behaviors I want to break. Definitely a good one. And then positive people to spend more time with and negative people to avoid. I love this one. You know, I definitely feel like a lot of people try to keep, you know, people who don't lead them anywhere in their lives, and sometimes you just have to really like just learn to let go and just be around people who encourage you and motivate you. So you know, if you're the kind of person who needs to write things down to make stuff happen, then, you know, this is definitely a good strategy for that. So then we have our monthly view. So it's a really nice little monthly layout. You have the dots to write the days. It starts on a Sunday, goes through a Saturday. I like that. It has a little notes column so you can write down your notes. And then you have this month's goals and then the reward if I achieved my goal, right? So, you know, say you want to, I don't know, spend less, you know, in the month, then what is going to be your reward? Maybe take yourself to a really nice fancy dinner or something like that because you saved, you know, for the entire month. And then you have this month's wins. You know, what do you want to gain from the month? How I will improve next month. What do you want to achieve? My daughter has this really cool thing where she's away in college, and her friend, they made monthly goals for themselves and they pasted them on their door so that every day they could be reminded, and she put it in her planner also that we got for her, and that way she could be reminded of. And so she's like, Mom, I'm gonna be making my goals for November. She's like, because I feel like the ones I made were kind of unrealistic. And I was like, well, for the most part, you know, you kept a lot of those goals, but you know, the ones that you want to keep that you felt like you didn't, you know, didn't do anything for you, maybe it's because you need to find a way to, you know, do them better or something, and maybe keep them but try to improve them, add new goals every month, and keep the ones that have been helping you. So I love that she has monthly goals for her, so that's always a good thing for everyone to do, you know, kind of always see how you can improve in the next month. So I love that. All right, and then we have a weekly schedule. So this is really cool. This is something I don't think I've seen before. This is actually the weekly layout. Yeah, that's awesome. So this layout is different compared to other layouts that I've seen. So here we have the weekly view. You have Sunday, it starts on a Sunday and then it ends on a Saturday, but then you have two boxes at the bottom, this week's goal and then this week's work. So you have today's goal, right? On Sunday, what your goal is going to be, today's schedule, what are things you're going to do, and then what are your priorities for Sunday. And then you have the same thing Monday through Saturday. So that's a really cool, you know, way to break down your day. And then you have this week's goals, this week's work, and then if you achieve your goals for the week, what kind of reward do you want to give yourself? So it's always good to make a goal, because when you look forward to a reward, I think it just motivates you even more. So yeah, here you have, again, these are undated, so you can always add your little fun date covers. You can date them yourself if you have little dated stickers, anything to help you stay motivated and, you know, to stay on track with your planner. So I assume the goal of this is to plan within 5 minutes, right? You know, something really fast where it's not gonna overwhelm you, but you're still gonna stay organized and, you know, productive. So I like that. It's pretty straight to the point, and I feel like that'll work. So then again, it goes into your monthly view, again, weekly, and so forth. You have a fun little ribbon page marker that matches the elastic closure. So I really like that. I think that's really cool. You can, you know, put it to whatever day or whatever week you're working on. And then you have in the back some extra pages for bullet journaling. So you can always bullet journal, you can, you know, write notes, make lists, and all kinds of sort of fun things. So you have enough pages to kind of keep you organized. And then you have 2 more blank pages in the back to kind of just do whatever you need to. Maybe put inspiring quotes or, you know, fun stickers that just motivate you. But I love that. Overall, I think it's a really good planner. I think the strategy is good. I feel like this is definitely a good planner for somebody who definitely has a lot of goals or really wants to stay focused on their goals to try to achieve them. I feel like this is a really good planner for that as well. It's nice and thin. It's not heavy, so you can just kind of carry it everywhere. I like that it has the elastic band to keep it closed and private. I like that it doesn't say that it's a planner anywhere, because, you know, it could just be a regular notebook. So again, that helps keep everything private as well. But yeah, if you guys are interested, the link for this planner will be linked down below, as well as any coupon codes. Definitely check out the description box for any and all information. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!